Hey, what's going on everyone? Todd G here, and in this video I will talk about the Master Affiliate Profits Beginner Guide and how it can help beginners build a profitable online business very quickly. Now, if you're new to this channel, make sure you click the subscribe button below, and if you like this video, smash that like thumbs up icon. Oh, and if you stick around until the end, I will show you how to grab the amazing Master Affiliate Profits bonuses that I put together for you. Also, if you want to learn more about MAP, I've included a playlist in the description of this video. Okay, let's jump right in. I'm going to give you the quick and easy Master Affiliate Profits Beginner's Guide information. Master Affiliate Profits, or MAP, is a beginner-friendly, 100% done-for-you affiliate business. Even the newest of newbies can sign up and start earning while they learn. Some of the benefits of MAP are: it's a completely done-for-you system, it's newbie-friendly, no technical skills are required, no websites to build, no complex sales funnels to create, it's a legit system, doesn't look scammy or anything like that, it's the best system to help people, especially newbies, win. MAP solves 4 main problems in the affiliate marketing industry. First problem, products. What to promote and what can you promote? MAP has high converting products already done for you. Second problem, audience. New people don't have a following or list. MAP has training on how to build an audience, and MAP also will help you with build your email list while earning and learning. Third problem, traffic. Paid traffic can be difficult and expensive. MAP has easy to follow training on how to get traffic, both free and paid. Master Affiliate Profits even has done for you traffic right in the back office. Number 4, overwhelmed. There's a lot to learn in most of these affiliate marketing systems. MAP breaks it down into simple, easy to follow steps in their training. Now, some of the other benefits of MAP are: you can earn while you learn. MAP provides a 90-day follow-up email series from their system on your behalf. It's a freemium business model after the launch. This means that there will be an option to join for free so that people can get value and learn more, so they can decide if they want to upgrade. Now, only about 500 people know about this right now. This is a chance for you to get in early before all of the big affiliates get in. MAP pays anywhere from 25% to 100% commissions. All products and promotions are hard-coded to you for life. And people are already making money and have been making sales. You can get in on the ground floor with lifetime access, no monthlies, for a limited time. Right now, the Master Affiliate Profit system is in phase 2 of the pre-launch until the end of March 2024. So right now, you can get lifetime access and no monthly fees. Starting in April of 2024, MAP will change to a monthly or yearly membership, and there will be no more lifetime access. Okay, that's really all I wanted to cover in this Master Affiliate Profits Beginner's Guide review and bonuses video. I have many other videos that dive deeper into the various components of MAP, including a high-level overview, over-the-shoulder back office review, compensation plan details, commission breakdown, more about each level, how you get paid with Master Affiliate Profits, and much more. You can check out the playlist in the description of this video for everything you want to know about the Master Affiliate Profit system. Okay, that's it for now. Go ahead and click the link in the description to see all of the amazing bonuses and also to learn more about the Master Profit system. Take care and see you in the next video.